Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Simple Stories Saturday. Today I am playing with Simple Stories Into the Wild. I thought I'd give you a little break since it's Christmas Eve. You've probably seen tons of Christmas layouts so far this month. I have what I have of leftovers from a kit from the scrap room. I still have 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, some leftover ephemera bits, 1 Brave thicker title, and some cards. This was also part of the pocket page kit. Ooh, these tags might be good. I've got a couple photos from when I took my son to a zoo for the very first time. I don't have very many photos because he was 1.5 and very mobile, and let me tell you, getting a picture of him sitting still was almost impossible. But I think I have an idea what photo or photos I want to scrapbook. I am dealing with these nails, which I love. They're gorgeous, but man, they're awkward. So I'll try my best. I haven't been feeling up to scrapping a lot lately. We've had a few snow days, but I've had zero energy, zero motivation. My son was sick, so I don't know if that's maybe all I got from the sickness was just some motivation issues and things, but I'm hoping to get some scrapping done today, and I have this for you, and then I'm hoping to do some more over the next couple days too. So Christmas Day, we plan on doing nothing, so I think I'm gonna scrapbook. But I've got another second cup of coffee. We're about to do a movie and popcorn, so I figured I'd scrapbook a little bit, and we'll go from there. So let me get myself situated, pick out my photos. We're going to do a relatively straightforward, kind of a go-to design today, and yeah, make sure you check out everybody who is down below. I'll be back. I started this video with full intentions of having a process video for you. As you can see, not so much. All right, so what I have for you is a layout chair. This was supposed to be up on Saturday. I don't know who all got to get theirs. I had no motivation, you guys. Zero motivation over Christmas. So I have it this week for you. I've got lots of motivation this week to get some things done. So here we go. I did my favorite tearing. I love tearing. I do. I don't do it enough. It's not like a staple of mine. I really love it. It just adds so much texture and fun. I played with the 3 tags I had left. I liked kind of the unbalanced tag placement. Grabbed a couple of the embellishments I had. Figured this would be a great title, either one. Added the tiger, did my journaling down there. I really like this. My child passed out. And then I thought I needed something else. And so I have this stamp set. I have no idea what it's from. And I'm pretty sure I put it on the backing wrong. Yep, because all this black is getting pulled up because I put it on the wrong way. Anywho, I used this. Kind of reminded me of cheetah print in a way. But I kind of let it fade and go in. And then I just, even though I should have stamped this before I put everything down, I just kind of messily blobbed it in places around the layout as well. And I used peeled paint from Distress Ink. Thought that was a good green. But yeah, I really like the way it turned out. And then I got some good journaling in. Oh my gosh, my glass mat is so messy. Sorry, I'm like a squirrel now. Had some afternoon coffee. Trying to get some videos done for everybody so you can see stuff that I should have worked on, had partially done, just never finished and never posted, and because the motivation just poof disappeared. And then there was a snowstorm and I had all this time. I physically couldn't go anywhere, and all we did was sit around and be lazy, and it was fantastic, you guys. I needed the refresh, so I'm not mad about it. I'm a little mad about a couple of the days I didn't do anything, but I did other things. I spent time with my child, and that I can't get back. So that's what I did. So thank you so much. I hope you checked out everybody else who played with Simple Stories Saturday. I'm gonna put some glue. These are, so what else I did is this is paper ribbon I've had in my stash forever. I just kind of stuck it through. Yeah, it's not gonna stick. I don't want it to stick to the back, but I want to make sure that these 2 stay together. So I'm gonna glue them. That one I did I get glued? Maybe not. I just want them to stay together. But they add a little bit of something to the layout, and since there's brown, like I thought it was a good color to bring. This one turned out really cute, and it's just relatively simple, and I really like it. But thank you, you guys. I hope you have some patience with me. I know I haven't been the easiest to watch, probably because of all the It's really hard when your motivation is gone. It really is, and you can't find it. And yeah, so thank you, really, from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, this is my layout. So I'll have some close-ups here for you. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you next time.